What up, YouTube? This is Geo Stealth R1. What are we doing today? So, as you can see, this is the Traxxas Mini Slash 4x4, and here we go. Yeah, this Traxxas has been doing really cool things, integrating these type of systems with a 110 scale motor and ESC into an itty bitty. I think this is considered a 118 scale. We're gonna look over here, see what's happening. You got the 2056 servo, steel differentials. The wheels, from what I understand, are a lot different than they have over there before. This is the BL2S version of it. It does come with a battery, a charger. You got the Ultrasox TQ radio that's coming across installed in there. From what they say, it's going to be 30 miles an hour. We'll see what's going on. Let's crack this bad boy open and see exactly what's inside. Alrighty. Wow, this looks pretty amazing. It looks a lot bigger than the two other guys right there, and that's the Mini Max and that's the Mini XRT. So they've done a lot with this. Here's the book that it comes with. It's kind of weird because they have the Mini Slash 4x4 decals over there, but there's none on the car itself. They give you spacers for the shocks. They do give you tools. There's the charging and everything like that. It does come with the TQ radio, which is right here, nicely boxed. And amongst other things, they ended up changing a few things. Let's look at the outskirts of this thing. You got your little man right there, which is pretty cool. I wish, oh, they did. Awesome. They put in a nice little air vent right there. So if you do throw in the VXL system, that would be pretty awesome for you to have on this. So they do have the skids on top of the body, which is very similar to what they have on the the Max Slash, which is cool. This looks a lot like the Max Slash. Let's take off the body and look at the internal components over here. So as of right now, right off the rip, I'm going to see exactly what's different. It is a longer chassis base. I ended up looking up the accessories and everything like that. So the center drive shaft is going to be different amongst a few other things. The arms are a little bit shorter. The shocks, I believe, are a little bit shorter. They're going to be a different set. If you do plan to upgrade these shocks, they are a lot shorter than what's coming on the Mini XRT and the Mini Max. 2056 servo that they have in there. Once again, I'll tell you that the BL2S system that's over there. I didn't even look at the box of where my battery's at. I got to look for that. The bumper is definitely different. The drive shafts probably are shorter. I'm not too sure. We'll see what's going on with that. But the arms are definitely shorter. The chassis is a lot longer. I mean, if I go side-by-side comparisons, I know they're coming out with the LED kit for this RC, but I don't think they have the LEDs for the ground effects because of the way the body mounts. The body mounts a little bit different, so I didn't see that on the Traxxas website from when they installed, when they have this as of right now available. But I am going to upgrade this. You can put a wheelie bar on this. I believe you can. I'm going to see. I hope, because I do have an extra wheelie bar. Part number is 10776 black. We'll see. It only cost me $9, but I am changing the wheel nuts to pink, 1747P. Yeah, I mean, this mini series that Traxxas is releasing is coming out really cool. Seen a few videos with this driving and stuff like that, and this thing looks pretty indestructible. What are your thoughts? Are you gonna get a mini Slash? I mean, it does kill off the eRevo version of their Slash, and this looks bigger than what that was representing at this point. So realistically speaking, if you want to talk about it right now, as we're looking, other than a rally car, this is actually going to replace the Traxxas series. That's my opinion. We'll see what's going on in a few. So, what are your thoughts? I like the way the pink came out. Anyway, rate, comment, subscribe. It's all of us on YouTube. Later.